Hey, so I just wanted to wrap up the Tailwind tutorial series with this video here. I wanted to say thank you to all the viewers, everyone that has followed along with the tutorial series. Anybody that's subscribed to my channel, thank you. Anybody that has commented or liked any of the videos, I really appreciate the support. And I really hope that you had fun and enjoyed learning Tailwind as much as I did creating these videos. We covered a lot during this tutorial series. We can all now install, set up, all the way down to production and purging of the CSS file. We all have the capabilities now to build on a full-on website using Tailwind CSS. Now, for anybody that had followed along with the tutorial series and actually built out the site, downloaded Git, or just even typed out everything through as you followed along with the videos, I'd love to see what you guys create in the future or just the demo site that we created. If you made some customizations or anything like that, had some different ideas or rebranded it to your own flavor or created different components, I'd love to see it. If you post it, leave a comment in the video or send me a message on any of my social channels. So my social channels are, I have a YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. On my Instagram and Twitter, I post up tips and tricks there. So if you want to learn some tips and tricks about web dev there, you can follow along there as well. And if you guys have any questions about Tailwind or feedback about the series or just questions for web development in general, just leave me a comment down below or just message me on any of my social channels and I'll be sure to answer any of those questions. And hopefully I'll have a new tutorial series coming out soon. And stay tuned and thanks for following along. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the content so far. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment down below. To stay updated with the latest content from the channel, you can subscribe by clicking right here in the middle.